Today I want to teach you that when readers read a second or a third book on a topic, they start thinking about how the page and the other page are sort of the same. They look really closely and see that they are both the same and different. So remember yesterday we looked at the two different pictures of bears, and we worked really hard to figure out what were some of the things that were similar between the two pictures and how could our learning be combined with the two pictures. Today we're going to look at two of the books that we have read in the past about tigers. So this first page is from the book Tigers by Laura Marsh. And Laura Marsh is teaching us about what tigers eat. And she gives examples like deer and wild pigs. And then this next book that we were looking at, Amazing Animals, all about tigers, the author is also talking about what kinds of meat a tiger might eat, but she refers to monkeys. And then if you remember, it says a few tigers have eaten people. So both books are teaching us about tigers, and both books are teaching us about what tigers eat. So just like yesterday, we figured out some things that are in common, even though the pictures or the books look completely different. But I also want to think about how we can focus in on what's different and help to grow our knowledge and get a better understanding of tigers. What's more is that when we read books looking for differences, it helps us to see what the author thinks is important. If you think back to what we learned as we read through Laura Marsh's book about tigers, she spends a lot of time and puts a lot of attention talking about how to care for tigers and why tigers are in trouble. Laura Marsh has an entire section on tigers being in trouble and tigers being endangered. So we know that this is something that is important to her. Readers, when you are reading your books today, it's important that you spot the differences, both big and small, in the books that you are reading.